Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Moral Science, Chapter 3 Teacher, the Torchbearer, Part 2. In the previous session, we have already completed up to page number 15. Dear children, in this chapter, we were discussing about the teachers, how they are the torchbearer of the society. All we were studying about how you should respect your teacher. My dear children, the teachers wants to inculcate good values and they help you to be a good human being. They teach you the moral lessons in school just to set a good example through your act and behavior. In this chapter, we were going through a story and it is about the author, a lady and a child. Once upon a time, the author was sitting in his father's shop. From there, he saw a little child peeping inside the shop. No one seemed to care about the child, but a lady who was the author's history teacher noticed him. Dear children, what the lady did, the lady, that gentle lady, took the child inside the shop and saw her a student also there. She blessed the student and went inside asking the shopkeeper about a half dozen of socks, and she also asked the shopkeeper if he could give her a basin of water and a towel. So let's be back with the story and let's start further. Let's see what happened in the story next. So open page number 16 for that. So the shopkeeper quickly brought the things before the lady. She took the little child outside and then knelt down and washed his feet and dried it with the towel. And then they entered the shop. The shopkeeper also gave her the socks she asked for. And after that, what the lady did, the lady purchased a pair of shoes for the kid and gave the remaining pair of socks to him and asked him if the kid was feeling comfortable then. The child was surprised. He said, "Are you God's wife?" To this, the author, that is the student, replied, "No, she is my teacher." My dear students, I want to bring light that this is how the teachers are. All teachers have love inside them. They treat all the students equally like her child, be it a child of any class, every year. Any child, she loves all equally. The teacher understands that each and every child is different. They understand the need of the child, and even though they might act differently to each one of you, but remember, they all love you. The teacher exactly knows when to praise you and when to scold you. Sometimes we, the teachers, also might get angry with you, but then it doesn't mean that we don't love you at all. If we don't see you following the correct path, we will correct you and bring you to the right path then. My dear students, respect all the teachers and show the best behavior towards them. Absorb as much as they give. They want your future to be safe and to be perfect. There are students I know who do not even listen to their teachers. they do not respect their teachers and talk ill about them behind their back. Even though we might not know what you guys are talking about us. But, dear children, God is listening. And that is why it is important for you to know the true value of your teacher. And you should always respect all the teachers of all the subjects. Show them love, and they will always respect you back. Just look at their sacrifice and love towards you. They want you to be good human being. My dear students, go through the chapter well and learn the meanings given in book. Learn all the word meanings as well as the difficult words that you are not able to spell. You have to check it again. And my dear students, the question answer given in page number 17 and 18, we will discuss it in the next session. And go through it, go through the question answer, go through the fill in the blanks and all. And always remember, there is no greater work on earth than that done by our teacher. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay fit. Take care.